Hi. In this video, I will do the high-level overview of Clickly's interface, so you would be able easily navigate it with all the interesting pieces it has. First of all, you can start an application without even signing in. Just open the landing page, which is super beautiful, no distracting videos, no selling materials, just create a new application. I'm joking, there will be a better landing page later on. So you always can start an application, choose a template, and create from based on this template. Everything that you create as a guest, as a user before signing in, it will be stored in your local computer. But once you sign up and sign in, everything that you created before will be saved into your account. So don't worry losing anything before. And you can create any app. Uh, it shows you this message that I just explained. You're in guest mode, what you can do, what you cannot. And then let's cover the interface. Many pieces you can find familiar because they are typical for a visual development editor, uh, like familiar patterns. First of all, at the top, you can see this top bar with the different menus for project or for the selected screen or other entity. You have a toolbar with a lot of different components it has. You have controls to change your canvas zoom settings. You have this switch that allows you switching between edit and view modes. And there is a really nice feature, live preview, which allows you previewing your app in real time on a real device. You can do that either in the web browser, of course, if you don't want to install anything. But if you want to test it as a native app with all things like Apple Liquid Glass Effect and some specific stuff for Android, you always can download ExpoGo app and scan QR code that will appear here once you register. And you can follow everything that you build here on the canvas, on the editor. You can see it reflects immediately in real time on your device, and you can open it on as many devices as you want just to test how it works and behaves in different things. So I specifically stopped on this feature because it's a super highlight of Clickly, that what users really value. And of course, you can sign in. On the left, you have different sections, like it's basically the structure of the app, different entities, different pieces that your app consists of. You have screens, you have custom UI components, data formulas, which are basically a way to integrate any data, transform any data, and bring it to UI. Then you have action flows, which is some scripts, some little programs that react on any user action or any other event that is happening within the app. And there is a code that allows you to download the generated code, the compiled actually code, which is not generated by AI, but generated and regenerated, compiled again immediately once you change anything in your app. And then we have a left panel with a list of screens, or in case of UI components, with a list of UI components, or again, with the case of formulas or action flows, that will be all the things listed there. Uh, in the code section, you have the list of files, this left panel. On the right panel, you have settings of the element you just selected. And the settings are like many of those. So for that, you have this search and filter that helps you navigate all those settings that you have. And basically the everything, like 99% of everything that is possible to set in the code, like using components properties within the code. Here, all those settings, all those properties are exposed and available, and you can do that in a visual way. And in the center, there is a canvas, and this canvas you can move, You can select things if you're in edit mode. If you're in view mode, it will show you some reactions, some different stuff. And if it's in edit mode, you can click here, click there. You can drag and drop stuff within the canvas and actually outside the canvas. I will show you it in the later videos. And here basically it is. So in the following videos, in the following episodes, I will cover each of those pieces in more detail, how to do things in Clickly and how it all works. And stay tuned for the next episodes. Thank you. Have a good day.